Hello class, welcome to Pre-Algebra Lesson 6.2, which is all about unit rates. By the end of this lesson, you should be able to find unit rates and compare and use unit rates to solve problems. So let's recap on some vocab first. Let's remember that a rate is a ratio of two quantities having different kinds of units. So let's say something costs like $5 per 1 pound. That is considered a rate. Okay, so a rate is when you have two different labels. So our first label is dollars, our second label is pounds. Those are two different things. And then a unit rate is when it's simplified so the denominator has 1. So you can see our denominator is 1 in this. So this is an example of a unit rate. So let's practice finding unit rates. Express each rate as a unit rate and round to the nearest tenth if necessary. So letter A, we have it costs $11 for 4 boxes of cereal. So we want to figure out if it's $11 for 4 boxes, how much is it for 1 box? The way that we do that is we say $11 for 4 boxes. And what we're going to do is we're going to do 11 divided by 4, which is 275. And if we divide the top by 4, we have to divide the bottom by 4. So 4 divided by 4 is 1. So our unit rate is $2.75 per 1 box of cereal. Okay, that is a unit rate. That's how you find it. Let's practice with letter B. 400 miles on 14 gallons of gas. So a car can drive 400 miles with 14 gallons of gas. So what we would do is we want to figure out how many miles per gallon. This is maybe something that you've heard your parents talk about, or maybe you've seen on a car commercial. 400 divided by 14, because remember you always divide by whatever number's in the denominator. So 400 divided by 14 is 28.6 miles. 14 divided by 14 per 1 gallon. So 28.6 miles per 1 gallon of gas. All right, now it's your turn. I want you to express this as a unit rate and round to the nearest tenth if necessary. $18.50 for 5 pounds. Good luck. Okay, for your answer, hopefully you figured out that it was $3.70 for 1 pound. So you can either write it as a fraction like this, or you can write 370. Then the fraction bar is pronounced per, so you'd say 370 per pound. So both of these are acceptable ways to write your answer. Let's look at example 2. We're going to practice comparing unit rates to figure out what's cheaper. This will help you in everyday life to help you save money, okay, when you're buying things. An online music store sells 15 songs for $12. Another online music store sells 10 songs for $9. Which online store has the lower cost per song? So what you would do, since it's lower cost per song, the word that comes in front of the word per, because remember we said per is our division, this is the top of the fraction, this is the bottom. Okay, so cost goes on top. So let's look at the first music store. We have 15 songs for $12. So I'm going to do $12 divided by 15 songs. And that works out to be 80 cents per song. And then I'm going to check out the second one, which is $9 for 10 songs, which is 90 cents per 1 song. So which music store has the lower price? That would be the music store that sells 15 songs for $12. All right, a store sells 2 different sizes of the same brand of sunscreen, an 8-ounce bottle for $5.76 and a 12-ounce bottle for $8.88. Which size bottle is the better buy per ounce? Okay, you're going to do the same thing that I did in the last example. You're going to find the 2 different unit rates and compare them. Good luck. Okay, hopefully when you did the math, you came up with 72 cents per ounce for the 8-ounce bottle $8.74 per ounce for the $8.88 or the 12-ounce bottle. So that means that our better buy would be the 8-ounce bottle. All right, example 3, this is our last one for today. Bottlenose dolphins breathe through a nasal opening called a blowhole. A typical dolphin will take about 34 breaths in 4 hours. Use the information to find how many breaths a dolphin will take in 7 hours. So our first step here is to find the unit rate. How many breaths does the dolphin take in 1 hour? So we'd say 34 breaths in 4 hours. If we reduce that down to, we're going to divide both by 4. That leaves me with 8.5 breaths per 1 hour. Now, I have my unit rate, but I'm not done because I want to know how many breaths a dolphin will take in 7 hours. Now that I have my unit rate, I know how many breaths are taken in 1 hour. I can say the number of breaths taken in 1 hour times the number of hours, which is 7. That's going to give me my total, which is about, it works out to be 59.5 breaths, or you can round that and say about 60 breaths. Okay. So first find your unit rate, then multiply by however many hours or whatnot you're looking at. All right, this is the last thing for you to try on your own. A bakery can make 195 donuts in 3 hours. At this rate, how many donuts can the bakery make in 8 hours? Good luck. All right, for this problem, hopefully you figured out that you would do 195 donuts divided by 3 hours to find that they make 65 donuts per hour. And then you took that unit rate and you multiplied by the number of hours we were looking at, which was 8. So 65 times 8 tells me that they can make 520 donuts in 8 hours. If you have questions about this problem or anything else, please don't hesitate to reach out for some help. I am happy to assist you. Have a great day.